I'm from RWTH and we're at the career day of RWTH Business School.
We are from Airbus. We like to be in contact with students, to find new talents, to offer some open positions and to get in contact.
We have quite a huge numbers of open jobs. We have quite huge opportunities within our company. And so we are just working together with RWTH Aachen Business School just to find these talents for our open jobs.
RWTH Business School has given us good option to be here today because a lot of industry people are here. I'm really much excited to be a part of RWTH Business School.
When we talk with the companies, they also provide us information about how is the career developed inside the company, and also it is good also to know people from the same company rather than in the web page because the interaction is totally different.